Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have the 65-watt wall charger from DJI. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. Okay, so first of all guys, this is 65 watts. It's a really powerful charger. I have usually used this for my drone. I didn't know you can use this for other DJI products. I'm not sure of the full list of what you can use it for, so make sure you look that up. But you can use this for other products. I know you can use it on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 as one of them. So I've been using this on that as well as my DJI Air 3S. You can use this on several other ones, I believe, as well. Make sure you look that up. That's pretty cool. Another cool thing about this charger is there's another little slot here. You can put another USB and you can charge your controller for the drone, for example, with this charger, as well as this charging the batteries at the same time. My favorite thing about this, guys, just has to be the fact that it is 65 watts. This thing charges the drone or other batteries so much faster than anything else. Like my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I think it charges in like 14 minutes or something. It's crazy. The drone takes a little bit longer, but without this, you've charged a drone before and been like, man, this is taking hours. This takes, a little bit of time, but it definitely saves you so much more time than using anything that's slower. And I just really appreciate that. That's my favorite thing about this, guys. When you're making drone videos and you're out there trying to beat the sun or trying to get out there before sunset ends or get out there in the morning for blue light, whatever it is, you know how important it is for lighting and all those things when you're trying to make good content. This is one of the more vital pieces of my equipment. Even though it seems simple, it gets me out there quicker, keeps things charged faster, and I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.